A sofa is probably one of the most important pieces of furniture you will buy, a medley of comfort and style. Hi, I'm Ger from Easy Living, and if you're shopping around for a sofa, I have something that might interest you. Here is a retro-inspired design, which is that little bit different. The Harper sofa is all at once elegant and inviting. Choosing the right upholstery is incredibly important. The Harper sofa is in stunning green velvet, giving a touch of old-world charm to your room. Simple yet striking, this sofa, which looks amazing, also offers exceptional comfort. The plush velvet would be gorgeous in any living or bedroom. The stylish design of this fine collection is sure to stand the test of time and will impress all who see it. If you admire the qualities of this amazing sofa, why not team it up with the matching two-seater sofa and armchair, or mix and match with the Harper Grey and Dark Grey to complete your room. If you're unsure of what to consider when buying a sofa, call in store and we'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction. For more inspiration, call in store and online at easylivingfurniture.ie.